Bathing can be one of the most dangerous activities for a senior citizen. But why? What makes bathing so dangerous? And what are the common mistakes that seniors make when bathing that could lead to injury? Let's talk about that today. I make videos to help you or your loved one avoid the hidden dangers of aging. And in this video, we're going to talk about the hidden dangers of bathing. When you think of taking a bath or shower, you probably don't think much about it. It's something that you do every day and it's part of your routine. For many people, a hot bath is relaxing after a long day. But for seniors, bathing can be dangerous and even life-threatening. The CDC reports that every year there are over 235,000 emergency room visits due to injuries from bathtubs and showers. And for older people, those numbers increase dramatically. In fact, one study found that there were over 700,000 emergency room visits for injuries related to bathtubs and showers for people over 65 years old. That's more than 1,900 visits every day. But wait, you might be thinking it can't be that bad. Taking a bath or shower doesn't sound like a high-risk activity. But as we age, our risk of falling increases, and slipping in the bathroom is one of the leading causes of falls for seniors. According to the CDC, 1 out of 4 older adults falls each year, and for those over 80, that number jumps to 1 out of 2. Bathroom injuries tend to happen more often in the winter months and right after a bath or shower. Many of these injuries result in head and back injuries. So what exactly makes bathing so dangerous? And what are the common mistakes that seniors make when bathing that could lead to injury? As an occupational therapist, I see these issues all the time with my elderly patients. So let's talk about some of the common issues I see. The first reason bathing is dangerous is because of the surface. Oftentimes, when we think of slip and fall injuries, we think of slick floors. But did you know that bathtubs and showers can be just as dangerous? Bathtub surfaces can become very slippery from water and soap residue. And as we age, our sense of touch can diminish, making it difficult to feel that slick surface. Our reflexes also slow down as we age, which means that if you do slip, you may not be able to catch yourself before hitting the floor. The next issue is the temperature of the water. For seniors, it's easy to get distracted while you're rewashing your hair or shaving and not realize how hot the water has become. Hot water can cause serious burns, especially for someone who has diminished sensation in their hands or feet. And did you know that the most common temperature for a burn injury to occur is between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit? So what's the solution? Well, use a thermometer to make sure the water isn't too hot. But remember, it's not just the water temperature that can cause burns. The hot water combined with soap can create a hot and slick surface that can lead to a slip and fall. So it's important to test the water with your hand or elbow before getting in to make sure it's not too hot. And once you're in the tub or shower, pay attention to how the water feels. If it starts to feel too hot, turn off the water immediately. Another danger of bathing is the transfer, meaning the way you get in and out of the bathtub or shower. For many seniors, it can be difficult to get in and out of the tub safely. One of the biggest issues is having enough strength to pull themselves over the edge of the tub. Many seniors lack the strength or mobility to do this, which can lead to a fall. A loss of muscle mass and weakness occurs as we age, and this can make transfers more difficult. Also, as our joints start to stiffen and degenerate, bending down to grab onto the side of the tub or shower can be painful and difficult. Sometimes pain can make us move in a different way, and when you move differently, it can increase the risk of falling. Additionally, our reflexes and coordination can diminish as we age, which can increase the risk of falling. The good news is there are many things we can do to make bathing safer for seniors. If you are a senior watching this video, consider some of the following options. You could install grab bars next to the tub or shower. Grab bars provide support and help you feel more secure while getting in and out of the tub. But please make sure they are installed into a wall stud. I couldn't tell you how many grab bars I've seen that are installed into the drywall and all you have to do is jiggle them a little bit and they come right out of the wall. So make sure if you install grab bars, they're installed correctly. Another option is to use a transfer bench. This is a great option for those who have difficulty transferring from a wheelchair to a bathtub. A transfer bench will allow you to keep your wheelchair outside the shower or tub area and then transfer onto the bench. Then you can use a shower head that reaches over the bench, so you can shower while seated. Make sure that the bench you purchase is the right height for you so that you can easily slide off into the tub or shower and then slide back onto the bench when you refinished. You can also look into a walk-in shower. Walk-in showers eliminate the need to step over a shower threshold and help reduce the risk of falling. Walk-in showers can be made with a curbless entry or with a seat, and they can even have specialized flooring that makes it easier to walk without slipping. Another hidden danger of bathing is getting in and out of the bathtub safely. Getting in and out of the tub can be challenging for seniors. As mentioned earlier, you may not have the strength or mobility to lift yourself over the edge of the tub, or maybe your balance isn't what it used to be. It's easy to lose your balance and fall, especially when there is water on the floor or the tub. If you live alone and fall and can't get up, you could be stuck in the bathroom for hours until someone finds you. This can lead to dehydration or other complications. So what can you do to make getting in and out of the tub safer? Well, first of all, make sure the area around the tub is dry. Water on the floor or a wet bath mat can cause you to slip and fall. Use a non-slip bath mat and make sure it's secured to the floor with an anti-slip backing. You can also consider using a bath chair or a stool inside the tub. This can help you take the weight off your legs and make it easier to get up and down. Just make sure any chair you use is non-slip and secure. The next hidden danger is for those living with dementia. People with dementia may not realize when their body is getting too cold during a bath or shower. They may also not be aware of their surroundings and not realize they're in a dangerous situation. This can lead to hypothermia or other complications. It's important to monitor the temperature of the water and make sure that the person with dementia is safe during bathing. You can do this by using a timer or asking a friend or family member to check in. And be sure to check the water temperature frequently. Another thing you can do to stay safe is to use a shower seat. A shower seat can prevent falls by allowing the person to sit down while they wash themselves. You can also consider using a handheld shower head. A handheld shower head allows the person to control the direction of the water and make sure that they're getting wet. You can also install grab bars near the shower seat or on the walls of the shower stall. These can provide support and stability and help prevent falls. The next hidden danger has to do with the water pressure. Low water pressure can make it difficult to wash your body or rinse soap off your skin. This can lead to skin irritation or infection. Make sure your shower head is clean and free of mineral buildup. You can also consider using a water pressure shower head. These shower heads are designed to increase the water pressure and can make it easier to wash your body. The last hidden danger of bathing is a lack of supplies. If you don't have the right supplies, you may struggle to wash your body or shave or even get in and out of the tub. This can lead to cuts, scrapes, or other injuries. Make sure you have everything you need within reach before you get in the tub or shower. This includes soap, shampoo, a washcloth, a loofah, a razor, and shaving cream. You may also want to keep a non-slip bath mat nearby. By being aware of these hidden dangers and taking steps to prevent them, you can help keep yourself safe while enjoying a relaxing bath. Do you find bathing to be a risky activity? What are some of the things that you do to stay safe while bathing? Please share in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with friends and family.